end of the International Space Station. The International Space Station, ISS, has been orbiting Earth for over 2 decades, a symbol of international cooperation and scientific progress. But like all things in space, its time is coming to an end. Today, we'll explore why the ISS is nearing its retirement, what will replace it, and what the future of human space exploration holds. 1. The ISS's lifespan and contributions. The ISS launched in 1998 and became the largest human-made structure in space. It's been a collaborative effort involving space agencies from NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. The ISS has provided invaluable research on space medicine, biology, technology, and more. It's been a platform for understanding how humans live and work in space for extended periods, making it crucial for future missions to the Moon and Mars. 2. Aging infrastructure and rising costs. While the ISS was designed for a 15-year mission, it's far surpassed that. Over the years, the station has undergone numerous repairs to keep it operational, but its infrastructure is aging. Issues like micrometeoroid impacts, solar array degradation, and general wear and tear have made maintaining the ISS increasingly difficult. The cost of keeping the ISS running has also risen significantly, leading to the decision to wind down the station's operations. 3. The plan for deorbiting the ISS. NASA plans to retire the ISS by 2030, with controlled deorbit slated for January 2031. The station will gradually lower its orbit before entering Earth's atmosphere. Most of it will burn up during re-entry, but parts will fall into the Pacific Ocean, near the spacecraft cemetery, known as Point Nemo. This process will be carefully managed to avoid any damage to populated areas. For what comes after the ISS? The end of the ISS doesn't mean the end of humanity's presence in space. NASA is looking toward the future by supporting the development of commercial space stations. Companies like Axiom Space, Orbital Reef, and others are working on space habitats that can serve as replacements for the ISS. These private stations will not only continue research, but will also open the door to space tourism and private industry involvement in space activities. 5. Private industry's growing role. The future of space exploration is increasingly in the hands of private companies. NASA has shifted from being the primary operator of space stations to becoming a customer of private entities. The aim is to create a thriving commercial space economy, with private companies handling space station operations while NASA focuses on deeper space exploration. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already paving the way for a new era of space travel. 6. Global players in space. China's Tiangong Station. While the U.S. and its partners prepare for the post-ISS era, other countries are also making strides in space. China's Tiangong Space Station, operational since 2021, is a major competitor to the ISS. As the ISS retires, Tiangong could become a dominant player in low Earth orbit, adding an extra layer of competition and collaboration in the global space community. 7. Legacy and future of space stations. The ISS has served as a bridge between different nations and cultures, all working together for a common goal. Its legacy will continue, not just in the knowledge gained, but in the international partnerships it helped foster. As we look toward future missions, the lessons learned from the ISS will play a crucial role in shaping space exploration for decades to come. The end of the ISS marks the close of an incredible chapter in space history. While it will be missed, the future of space exploration is bright. With commercial space stations and global cooperation, humanity's journey into the cosmos is just beginning.